guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanaya, known as a modest guru, and today we are reviewing some brand new hot off the shelf makeup products. I had to re-up on the Milk Makeup, their Hydro Grip primer. This product is not new, but it's new to me because I had finally finished my last primer, and it's just something I think I'm going to keep purchasing. So this is definitely on my best product list. So yes, always been a fan of Milk Makeup, their Hydro Grip primer. It makes my makeup last. It sticks, my foundation sticks to it. And I've had it, you know, just in my makeup closet for quite some time. So yeah, in rotation, and it don't take a lot. I usually just apply like one or at the max 2 pumps, and we're good to go. Jumping into a brand new product. This is hot off the shelf. I'm excited to try it because I am such a like tint moisturizer type of girl now. I just feel like I feel like it's super lightweight, and then you still get the coverage that you need when you add on concealer to tinted moisturizers. So it's just it. This is the brand new Born This Way Healthy Glow. It has 30 SPF. Let me try to bring it closer so you can see. With this skin tint, I stuck to my shade I typically always purchase from Too Faced, so I'm hoping that this match is great, just like all the other foundation products that they have. And so my shade is in the shade Sand. This product retails for $42. You get 2 fluid ounce, so to me that's pretty good. It should last for a long time. Just some details about this product. This it claims to be 24-hour wear, 24 hours, vegan. It has UVA and UVB protection, and then it states that it gives you all day hydration. So, and also supposed to be non-acnegenic. So the girls who have acne prone skin, this should not affect your skin at all. You take that top off, you have this just squeeze applicator there, so super simple. Let's do our first swatch test. Sand 30, as I expected. I figured it was going to match really, really well. Like, okay, now that's a plus. This is a plus. You see that. You see this blend here. What's really great to me is that they stay consistent with their skin complexions. And I love that, because when brands like switch up on me and I have to go get another number because it's a new product, I typically, you know, find that could be like a little bit of a hassle. But give me a guide. You know, if I have my favorite, let me know which product matches with my regular that I purchase. So we're just gonna blend this out. Oh, the skin tint so far, super hydrating. I can say that. Like you can even see like the glow there, which is called Healthy Glow for a reason. I'm just gonna finish the whole face and then let you all see. Oh, look at it. Like, get this product. Too Faced, they don't fail in the skin category. Like, they do not play with their foundation, skin tint. Most of their products are like very top tier for me. And like, just look, you can still see my freckles, but this coverage is sheer, right? But it looks so good in cameras, not gonna lie to you. Now hopping over to concealer, because we're doing a very minimal look today, but we're giving you the look at the same time. I have been obsessed with this Huda Beauty concealer. This is the Huda Beauty FauxFilter Luminous Matte Concealer. Lives up to his name, I promise you. Now I got the shade Granola. I could have went down one shade because I am still like adding my lighter, my brighter concealer by Milk Makeup to kind of give me that like brighter under eye look. But I mean, just by itself is still perfectly fine. I will actually be repurchasing this product and just getting one shade lighter and seeing like how I like that overall brighter under eye look. I still feel like this is like super full coverage. Great for your under eye. If you're like me, I like my under eyes to have more coverage than like per se my foundation. My foundation needs to be very sheer, because too much of two things is like packed on for me. Taking my beauty blender here, we're gonna blend this on out. This is still, like I said, this is the perfect shade for a very natural look, in the shade Granola. Just to contour, and then I'm going to show you this new bronzer for the first time. I did my previous video on these e.l.f. Halo Beauty Wand contour sticks, and these wands retail for $9 here. I would say like the biggest challenge is getting back into the flow of my videos like consistently when I have a whole new schedule. Being a mom is like, you know, you go through the stages. My son, he is 9 years old, so it's been quite some time before my schedule has like really been altered or changed. And now that we have baby girl, I'm just giving myself all the grace. Number one, it's my favorite thing to do. And then just kind of maneuver, try new things. Like right now I'm holding her and doing my makeup. Like that's new to me, a new world. We embrace change around here. The product is not like brand new. I'm just gonna briefly go over it just so you know it's like one of my favorites. This is the Patrick Star One Size. Love the translucent powder. My goodness, you all, get these triangle, these like sponges off of these beauty squares off of Amazon. Like you can really get into your creases right here, like this inner corner. You can just get into it and literally press that powder in with no problem. Now we have a new product. Oh my goodness, my first time ever purchasing this brand. This is the iconic London Kissed by the Sun. Hold on, let me show you the product itself. Lights is kind of, you know, giving it that extra glow, but this is the iconic London. This is their Kissed by the Sun bronzer. Yeah, had to get my hands on this because like it's the summertime and I need a bronzer. I need to glow, honey. So let me tell you more about this product. This bronzer retails for $29 and you actually get 0.17 ounces, but I feel like it's a bronzer, so it's gonna last you for quite some time. And let me just do this test. Like I gotta dip my brush in there. Like I don't even want to mess it up. It has this pretty little mirror, so super cute for just on the go. And since I've already did my contour, I can bronze my face now. I'm so happy I got like a darker shade. Hey, it's giving. It's giving. On some more. Pack it on some more, girl. Be a bronze Malibu Barbie. Like, we're in the sun on the West Coast. Just cruising. We're just cruising. Like, this is so cute. Now, before I go ahead and show you this another amazing product, I want to show you guys my favorite brand new setting spray. Look at her. As you see, I've already started using this product, but this is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Setting Spray. Cut the camera, cut the camera. They showed out when they made this product. As you see, I've already been using it, so I can very well speak to this, okay? Now, this setting spray retails for $38. And just to tell you some things about it, this setting spray is vegan, hydrating. It has a radiant finish. I can attest to that. Definitely a radiant finish. It is long wearing and it's a part of the Clean as Sephora. You get 3.38 fluid ounces, so I feel like it's going to last you for quite some time. But definitely shake the spray before you use it, because the particles, you can see where it separates. So you really want to get that full optimal use of the product. So just shake it before use like that. That's pretty blue. But the eyes, if you know, you know. If you don't know, I'm about to tell you anyways. The new Fenty Beauty mascara. She's it. This is the brand new Fenty Beauty Hella Thick Mascara. Chef's Kisses all day. This is the product you need. I have little lashes. You can see it on camera. And let me show you how this product transforms like your eyes. Crazy. This mascara retails for $19. It's a volume lengthening mascara and you get 0.33 ounces. Who need lashes when you that girl? Who need them? Look. Yes. Beautiful. That's it. That's all I need. I'm leaving. I'm getting out the house. A lip pencil that I could not get, and I finally grabbed her because it was sold out thanks to a celebrity, Hailey Bieber. I don't know. Anyways, I could not get my hands on Anywhere Caffeine. Let me show you. This is the famous sold out Makeup Forever beauty pencil. Like, they call their lip liners artist color pencil, which is so dope, so cool. This makeup pencil retails for $22 and we just love it. Okay, let me just show you. Super pretty color. This is very like more on the neutral side. This is the color for the lip liner. Very, very neutral to my skin tone. This is it for the final look. We're gonna call this Bronze Barbie because it's really a vibe for the summertime, and I hope that you all enjoyed this video. I will definitely link all of the products that I used, even some of my OG products, and I'm just gonna put OG beside it so you know it's one of my already favorites. Know that the product will be in the description below. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe to this video. You know I'm coming when I come. So thank you guys so much for all of your support. I love you all so much, and until next time, take care.